Yes, I am making money from IGTV ads, but how much? We're gonna find out in today's video. Before we jump into it, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. Let's go to my Instagram, and we are gonna go to my account, which is right here at Ali Mirza 2K. If you don't follow me on Instagram, do that right now. Stop, pause this video, go do that. Anyways, let's go to the IGTV tab, which is right here. So I got invited into the IGTV ads program. I became eligible, and now there are ads that are running on these Instagram TV videos. What that means is, just like YouTube, when ads are shown, Instagram takes a cut, I believe 45%, and then content creators, they take a cut 55%, I believe. And that's how these videos are monetized, and that's how I'm making money. But how much, and how does that compare to YouTube? We're gonna look at that number right now. So let's go to this video right here. So this video had 1.9, it's almost 2,000 views. So let's go inside there. And let me pause this so you don't hear the audio from the video. And then let's click on these three dots right here, and then view insight. So you have to do this from the IGTV tab, and boom, look at this. I have made 90 cents from this one video. And then the RPM, monetizable play RPM, is $2.50, right? Let's look at another video. Here is another one. I'm gonna pause this too. And then let's go to three dots and view insights, and boom, let's see how much money I made. 90 cents again. What? That is strange. Let me pick another video. How can I have two videos with the same? It's possible, but just not. Here you go. Here's a different one. So I thought the data was wrong, or my screen was stuck. But here you go. On this video, IGTV video, $1.37, and then RPM was same, $2.50, right? So as you can see, I wanted to show you guys the being transparent and behind the scene of how much you can realistically make if you are eligible for IGTV ads. So the RPMs are not that high. The RPMs on YouTube are much higher than that. It's probably north of $5 or $10. But for my account, and I'm sure this is going to be different for everyone, because everyone has different niche, different type of audiences consuming their content on Instagram, on IGTV. So their RPMs could be different. Because why? Because advertisers are willing to pay different amount of money for different types of audiences. That's why RPMs are different for every channel on YouTube, and I'm pretty sure it's same for Instagram. But it's not that high. What I want to say is, if you are eligible for IGTV ads, great, awesome, go monetize, but this is not a lot of income in my opinion. So you do not want to depend on, or you do not want to be 100% dependent on money that you make, for revenue that you make from IGTV ads, right? It's a part of your online revenue, but it's not everything. Now, having said that, I'm sure there are people out there, they probably have 10 times the audience that I have, and they probably get 10, 20 times the audience, the views that I get on my IGTVs. Let's look at this one. So in that case, yeah, you could make significant amount of money. So here you go. This video too, I made $3, and the CPM was same, $2.50, right? So let's go back. So yeah, obviously if your videos have 100,000s or millions of views, you are gonna make sizable, a good chunk of change, good chunk of money from IGTV ads. But for a small creator like myself, it's not a lot. And I wanted to make this video and show you guys behind the scene, and realistically, what can you expect if you have this type of audience. Now, one other thing I want to show you is, you can also see this data once you're eligible for IGTV ads. You will see a notification right here that you are eligible for IGTV ads, and then you accept it, or you apply for it, and once you get accepted, you will be able to run ads just like me. Now, there's another place I want to go and show you. So inside my settings, if I go to creator and then look at IGTV Ads right here. So here is a place where I can also see the data. Yes, I'm eligible. And then if I go inside right here, IGTV videos, I will be able to see all the videos sorted by earnings. Look at this. So the most I have made so far, wow, it's that less, or only $3, right? So yeah, I'm not getting rich anytime soon from IGTV ads, looks like it. But here's another view where you can see the revenue that you're making from your individual IGTV videos, right? So you go inside here, and then you're able to see, you could sort your videos by earnings. You can also sort by all of these metrics too: reach, likes, comments, video views, right? And then go back. And then here's this right here: eligible videos must be original. You can turn this off. What this means is, moving forward, all the videos that you put on your IGTV, they will be eligible or to have ads on them, and you'll be able to make revenue, make money. So this is it, guys. This is how much I am making per video from IGTV. It's not making me rich anytime soon, sadly, but I wanted to show you guys behind the scene of what IGTV ad monetization looks like. If you have any questions, leave those questions. And before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.